Hey there, let's talk about the 3 different ways you can use essential oils in your home on a daily basis. My favorite and most common way to use them is through a diffuser. We have diffusers literally in almost every room in our home. In the kids' bedrooms, our bedroom, our living room, family room, kitchen, even our bathrooms have diffusers in them. All you need to do is take 2 to 4 drops of your favorite essential oil, put the diffuser on, and for anywhere between 1 to 4 hours, you've got some beautiful aroma that's entering the room, and whether it's there to elevate a mood, calm a mood, or even support the immune systems of everyone there, you're good to go. Secondly, we can use them topically. Topical essential oil is for your own personal use. It's whatever you feel you need to support your emotions or your physical health throughout the day. As a mom, 2 of my favorite oils are Peace and Balance, because they help me keep calm when all of the chaos is going on around me. I can apply them to my wrist, to my diffuser jewelry, on my neck, and it's just a great reminder throughout the day to take a moment, take a deep breath, and continue on with all of the daily stuff that I have to as a mom. Last but not least is internal use of essential oils. This is a great way to flavor water, utilize in cooking, or even use in a veggie cap if you want some internal support. Adding a drop of lemon to my water each morning is a really great way to help cleanse my system, help me wake up, and support my overall health and well-being. Putting an essential oil drop into a veggie cap and then swallowing it just like you would a supplement is a great way to internally support your immune system, digestive system, and overall health. And that's it. Those are the 3 different ways that you can use essential oils on a daily basis and in your home.